Can you see what I'm writing?
Yes.
Given Z1, which is nothing but equals to 2 plus 4i, and Z2, which is nothing but equals to 3 minus I. Determine or determine. Number A, we say Z1 plus Z2. Number B, say Z1 minus Z2. Number C, we say Z2 minus Z1. So how many minutes should I give you on this one? This is manna from heaven, Peka Famba. How many minutes should I give you? Hello? Guys? Endibo.
Yeah.
How many minutes should we give you? Why are you now acting like a mumu?
5
7.
minutes.
5 minutes, I didn't care Zozawe Mapula. Emnyai.
Yeah, 5 minutes.
Yeah. I hope your 5 minutes is already vanished. Is that so? Hello? Guys? Then let's remunerate. We're going to say Z1 plus Z2 is nothing but going to be equals to 2 plus 4i plus what? 3. And put them in brackets if you want. Minus I. Therefore, we group the real number by real number and the imaginary by imaginary. So it's 2 plus 3. Then plus, we've got 4i minus I. Then this is nothing but 5 plus 3i. Is there any question? Hello?
No.
Okay, then let's go for B. Then we've got Z1 minus Z2. Then this is nothing but what? 2 plus 4i minus, we put the bracket, 3 minus I. So that negative is going to multiply everything that is inside the brackets. Then minus 3 plus I. Then this is the same as what? We group the like term. This is 1 plus 5i. Is that so?
Yes.
Oh, good.
Actually, -1.
Can we proceed? We've got a -1. Is that so? Thank you very much.
-1.
Yes, thank you very much. So next time, guys, when I inform that we have a class on the group, may you please reply. Hey, but I don't got the man. Huh? This is 3 minus I minus into what? We've got 2 plus 4i, and we have nothing but 3 minus I minus 2 minus 4i. Then this is nothing but going to be equals to what? 1 minus 5i. Is that so?
Yes.
Yes, please.
Any question? Then we go to the next page.
Yes.
Guys,
Yes.
are we moving together or I'm moving alone?
Together.
If you don't get distinction on the first test, please go and find another extra class. I'm not laughing. So when we divide we have done that one. When we are dividing the complex by another, we consider the operation of division. One complex number, let's say as an example, z is nothing but equals to a plus ib. Is that so? So by another, let's say we're dividing, okay. Let's say we've got z is nothing but equals to, I said, a plus ib. So, and we've got the complex w, which is nothing but equals to c plus id, not the one for the one you use. So now, if we want to find z divided by w, which is nothing but equals to a plus ib divided by c plus id, then we have to multiply by the conjugate of the what? Where's my guy?
Denominator.
Nice one. Of the denominator, then we've got c minus id divided by c minus id. Then as far as we are concerned, we remunerate because our master would dingera have G resolve vambalochi American maragai ve rotary.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't do that. We don't do that. So this is C plus ID multiplied by C minus ID. So on the denominator, you can see that we've got nothing but the difference between what? Between two square. Then this is AC, where in high school you were thinking about the arts and culture, minus IAD plus ICB or BC. Let's just use BC alphabetical order, BC. Then minus I squared BD. Then divided by, I told you that whenever you are multiplying, or what we call, I want to lie now. You must listen to me very carefully. What we call the difference between two square, we said the first one multiplied by the first one and the last one multiplied by the last one. Is that so?
Yeah.
Then this is nothing but equals to AC minus IAD. Is that so? Or we can, do you want us to remove the bracket? Hello? Okay, let's say this is plus I outside, then it means we have got a BC minus AD. Did you see that?
Yes.
Then minus open bracket minus 1 BD. Why did we have minus open bracket minus 1 BD? Because we know that in mathematics, our I squared is nothing but equals to -1. Are we good?
Yes. Yes.
Then it means we've got -1 D squared. Then this is nothing but going to be equals to what? AC plus BD. We remunerate. We said plus I into BC minus AD. Then divided by. I will teach you until you feel like mathematics is starting to bore us. Because you'll be knowing on whatever we will be doing. This is what we call extra. Then the denominator is going to divide each and every value that is on the numerator, so that we may left with a complex number. The complex number in the form of Z equals to A plus IB. Is that so? Hello? Then divided by, this is C squared plus D squared. Then plus, this is I into it, into BC minus AD divided by C squared plus D squared.
Yes.
Do we have any question? Hello?
No, I don't have.
Okay, can we go to the next slide? Ladies and gentlemen. Sorry? Can we go to the next slide?
Yes.
So we can't do many questions, same things as if we are under Department of Crazy Affairs. Let's say we've got 1 over I. How do we simplify this? Okay, let's say multiply by, and then we multiply by the conjugate. Okay. Let me solve it with another color so that you may see. So we're going to have what? 1 over I. What is the conjugate of the denominator? We just change the sign. It's negative I over negative I.
I.
Are we fine? Then this is nothing but going to be equals to what? We're going to have negative I divided by what? By negative I squared. What do you know about what do you know about I squared? We know that our I squared is nothing but equals to -1. Then this is nothing but negative I. Is it difficult?
Oh.
So you guys, what else do you want? Hello? Now you understand the complex conjugates, that's all. I introduced it yesterday, even though complex conjugate, because conjugate, I say that if we've got a z is equals to other people, or you can see your lecturer, maybe your lecturer, you can see him or putting star. It also means a conjugate. Let's say we've got z equals to a plus what? Plus ib. Then our z conjugate is equals to what? Hello?
Negative A.
No. The conjugate, it only affects the imaginary number.
Oh, A minus
Nancy and Dina. A minus
IB.
IB. So it means if we're saying our Z is nothing but equals to 2 minus 3I. So what is our Z conjugate? That can put this as a star. It's a conjugate. What is our Z conjugate? Is 2 plus
Plus I.
3I. Is it difficult?
No.
So now, let's do a simplest thing. Your class is starting to go. Everything we are doing is just a revision. That's what we did. We covered many things. But anyway, let's say if Z is nothing but equals to A plus IB. So they say find Z multiplied by Z conjugate. We can put star or a conjugate, it's up to you. So this is nothing but going to be equals to what? What is our Z? Is A plus IB. Then what is our
Plus
Z conjugate? A minus IB. Can you
minus.
see that? Can you see that this is a manna from heaven? Take a famba. So don't
Yes.
skip any step. Ne? We just multiply, because if you skip any step, they can give you a wrong. And while they know that difference between two squares, they cancel, but still they will give you a wrong. But let's just write. Nothing we can do. This is I squared, B squared. Then this is nothing but going to be equals to what? A squared. The middle part is going to cancel. Minus, we know that I squared is equals to -1, is that so? Then B squared. Why?
Yes.
Since we have to write. Since I squared is equals to -1. We don't just substitute. Then this is nothing but equals to A squared plus B squared. Are we on the same? Are we on the same side?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, so now let's say this is yours. Guys, we're doing same thing, and I won't skip and do other things while you don't understand this thing. You have to make sure that's my job. And that's what you are paying for, to understand things. Is that so? You don't just skip, my brother. Are we fine?
Yes.
They say find Z conjugate. They say find Z conjugate multiplied by Z. Then I'm giving you 3 minutes to solve this. Please make sure that you're solving. Annette? Are we fine?
Yes.
So what is the solution?
Five.
Oh, just 5J.
5.
Minus
My friend, you're just saying 5, 5, 5, 5. How many 5 do you have?
1 only.
So, but you didn't call 1, 5.
I got 1 5.
Let's see. You guys, where do you stay where there's no network? I can see you are speaking like Toro Toro. Then we've got this is that one.
Yes.
What is our rule? If you don't get distinction, you go and find the what?
We are not going.
And of Muda Martino Bonero. One. So then, yeah, I not Dakazama Swina. There's viewers over to Vanjiva was there, Apo to Lupana Mike. Mara, we don't do that. Then this is 4. Minus into 1. Hey, in Kwambangoma, in your order in implement, not a 5. Hey, the 5. Do you have any question? Those students, they are taking things light. They don't know that here we are not running friends like this company. Is that so?